Logo resizing capability in website builders is important because it allows you to resize a larger logo image to the needed size. In Squarespace and GoDaddy website builders, you can resize logo through the slider available on the right side panel. In some website builders such as WIX or GoDaddy old version, you can resize the logo by clicking on the corner of image, then holding and dragging it to appropriate size. GoDaddy allows you to enlarge a logo image more than its original size, which is not good because logo becomes blurry and pixelated. However, advanced website builders such as Squarespace do not allow stretching the logo image more than original pixels. However, you can shrink the larger logo to the needed size, but not less than 20 pixels height. For example, this is 145 by 40 pixels logo, and you can see that Squarespace does not allow it stretch more than 40 pixels of its original height. To enlarge it, you must upload a logo in large original size. I think this is a good restriction by Squarespace, which can restrain non-experienced web designers from doing any mistake in logo resizing. Please note that you should not enlarge logo image more than its original pixels. Otherwise, logo image may appear blurry on some screens. But please remember that you should also avoid uploading extra large image. You will learn more on this in next videos. Let's move to the next topic. So, what logo size is suggested by top website builders? Personally, I do not agree with many of these suggestions. GoDaddy suggests that the height of logo should be below 104 pixels. Otherwise, it will overhang the top navigation bar. A GoDaddy blog article also recommends 500 by 500 pixels for a logo image. WIX says that the recommended logo dimensions for a web page are 250 by 150 pixels. Squarespace recommends that logo should be double the size of what is needed. Squarespace finally gives golden advice to create a website logo in size which is ideal for majority of your audience. Please remember that universal logo size is not possible because it depends on many variables including number of characters in the logo type, height and width of graphic icon, the type of font, letter spacing and line height, as well as pixel resolution of user screen. You can also get some inspiration from logo sizes on websites of top brands such as Apple, Microsoft, Cigna, YouTube TV or GoDaddy. For example, rendered logo size of WIX blog on my 1920 by 1080 pixel screen is 132 by 30 pixels. Please watch next videos or read Dozero article to know more about the ideal size of website logo. Next, you should watch these videos about website logo size. Hey guys, I'm Irfan Hayat, founder of Dozero. If you like this video, consider liking it and following our social media pages. You may also look into description below for some useful links. You will learn here everything about e-business. That's it for me. Thank you so much for your time.